Downside breakout, sell call generated, red color candle open. Daily, automatically, it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Today it's June 5th market. After 9:54 am, sell call generated, red color candle open. Daily, automatically, like this, the calls will be generated. Right now you are watching the video na, like this daily you will watch the chart, you will get the calls like a signal, like where to take entry, where to put the target, so entry, target and stop loss. According to the entries, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. And today after 9:50 the call came at 46,960, that straight white line from red candle, that is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. The call came at 960, first target is 842. It's more than a 110 point target, more than 100 point target. In just 4 candle, in 4 minutes of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target and market move all the way to 120 point downside direction. Like this daily in this chart, the calls will be generated whenever the breakout happen. According to the call entry, you can do the trades. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp.